Good afternoon, my name's Shane, I'm Sales Executive here at Penton Citroen, and today we're going to be talking about the new Citroen C3 Aircross compact SUV. Okay, so at the front of the vehicle, obviously you can see a nice high short bonnet, so it's good visibility when you're sat inside the vehicle. As you come down the side of the car, it's got a nice high waistline and a high ride height as well, so it's got high safety ratings as well. And as you come to the top of the vehicle, obviously you've got the roof bars, which you can get in 3 different colours, which you can choose when you do the ordering process of the vehicle. And as you come down, they've got the wheel arch trims on there as well. I'm just going to open the boot to reveal 410 litres boot capacity, with additional shelf here as well, just give you a bit extra. Now what you find on the top of the range is a bulk sliding rear seat to give you another 110 litres of boot capacity, just so you can get those extra bits and pieces in the back for when you go on your family holiday or you're shopping. So, keyless start, just put your foot on the clutch, you don't need to use the key, put the key down there, and as you can see when the vehicle starts you've got the head-up display, which is brilliant when you're driving the vehicle. Safety is concerned, you don't need to take your eyes off the road when you're looking at your speed, so that's very good. As we come down here we have the 7-inch touchscreen, again which is consistent through the Citroen range, and on here we have the Citroen Connect nav, and we've also got Bluetooth digital radio again if you like your music. This vehicle is also fitted with a hi-fi techno pack, so it's got additional speaker system and a hi-fi speaker up there as well, so if you like your music, gets great sound in the vehicle. With the techno pack you also have down here a wireless charger, pop that in there and it would charge my phone for me. Okay, so up here you've got your standard analog display, and in the centre you've got the digital display which you can tailor to your own sort of personal preferences. Up on the top here you can see it has the miles per hour of the road that you're driving on. So on the vehicle it has a speed sign recognition camera and it will display the speed limit on the road you're driving. As you come back to the steering wheel controls, I've got all the controls here for your phone, volume and the controls for the personal menu down in there. Just behind the steering wheel you can see you've got the cruise control and speed limiter, and you can see it's got automatic lights fitted to this vehicle as well. To the touchscreen, even your air conditioning goes through the touchscreen as well, so you can really set it up nicely, just like that, set it to automatic. So one of the lovely options you can get fitted to this vehicle is the panoramic sunroof and sunblind, which is controlled electronically, just like that. And another button to reveal the sunroof, which opens itself, which gives a lot of ventilation in the back. So the C3 Aircross is available in a whopping 85 different colour combinations and a variety of award-winning engines as well. So not only do we at Penton's think this is a really great car, our friends over at Auto Express have also voted this a small SUV of the year winner for 2018. So this is our lovely C3 Aircross showcase. Once again, my name's Shane, thank you for watching.